Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I have another case unboxing for y'all, and I'm going to be unboxing the Spigen Thin Fit. So personally, I've never used the Thin Fit from Spigen, and I've used a lot of their cases. I believe I haven't used the NeoFlex or the Thin Fit from Spigen, so those are going to be the first time use cases for me when I do get them. But this time I have the Thin Fit in front of me, and this is going to be for my Galaxy S21 that I recently had got. So I wanted to get the Thin Fit because I've never tried it. Plus, I wanted to get something slim for the device so it doesn't add bulk to the device, which is already pretty nice, and I didn't want to bulk it up. So let's go ahead and check out the box real quick. It's a classic Spigen box, nothing too shabby on here. We just got the Galaxy S21 Thin Fit for Samsung Galaxy, Spigen, something you want. And then the back just has some descriptions and whatnot, slim, I guess grip, and then protection. So nothing too much, which is pretty nice. When you're unboxing a case, you really don't need too much. So there's a pull tab, and then we pull out our case. Nothing else inside this box, so we can put that to the side and go ahead and take out our case. Okay, so it's in this little plastic baggie, as always. Let's go ahead and put this back. Okay, and check out our case. So it has this nice design. It's a matte design. So it's like a matte design, and then it goes over your camera bump. And then the volume rocker and whatnot, it's like there's like holes next to it, so you can like click it easier, I guess, and it just adds to the slimness. So the inside of the case, there's nothing too special about it. It's just a slim case. It looks like any other case, I guess, and it looks pretty durable. So it's not gonna bend too much. The top part is like a harder plastic when compared to like the sides, which is nice, which is how it should be on a case. So let me go ahead and put the phone in real quick. Okay, so pretty easy. It does go in there pretty nice, so it's not gonna fall out of there. And let's go ahead and test out the buttons real quick. Okay, so we can click everything real easily, so it's not gonna extrude your buttons. It's not gonna do anything to your buttons. Our camera bump, so it's perfectly safe. As you can see, there's like this lifted edge right there. And then our flash, there's a lift over it as well. So doesn't add too much bulk. It's in the name, Thin Fit. It shouldn't anyways. And it just feels pretty nice. So it does have grip, so it's not going to fall out of your hands when you shake it around. So the sides are made pretty well, so it does grip onto your hands. And the back plate, it's just this plain black design with a matte finish, as I said, with our Spigen logo. So overall, it looks pretty good. There isn't any like carbon fiber like some other types of Spigen cases, which I don't mind. I really don't like the carbon fiber on the cases because they usually just add like a little bit on one side and then don't on the other, which kind of ruins it. So our cameras are perfectly fine. And then we do have a raised lip, which will protect our front screen. So it'll help from drops, which is going to be really nice. And it's overall going to help you from not breaking your front display. So as I said, first impressions, this looks pretty good. I'm probably going to be using this one right here. I did get some more Spigen cases. I will drop videos for those as well. I'm going to review those as well. And at the end, I'm going to compare all of them so you can see which one is the perfect buy for you. And I guess I'll do that comparison later on. But for now, I think I'm going to keep the Thin Fit on my device and use the Thin Fit because it doesn't add extra bulk to it and it's still going to protect the device very well. Plus, it has pretty good grip. So that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.